to Big Lou Barbecue. I'm Big Lou, and this is what I've got going on for you. First, let me say I'm sorry. I haven't had a lot of time to put a video out lately. It's the time of year where I've just got, my kids are doing a lot of things, I'm involved in a lot of things, and my weekends have been taken up. But I got some time off coming, and I plan to get about 4 videos coming up in the next couple weeks. So, and I got good plans for it too. But there was a package when I came home from work just now on my porch, big white box. All right, I didn't order it, don't know where it came from, but it says, hurry, perishable. So I got to get it open. Now, this is what it says right here. It says to Robert, well, shouldn't give you my first name, but that's what it is. Big Lou. And it's got Lou spelled with a bunch of E's. All right, and it's got my address, and it says Bill December. Now this is where it says it's coming from. Pasture Prime Wagyu and Family Farm. That's kind of exciting. I don't know what that is really, but I know Wagyu means it's supposed to be good stuff. So let's see what this is. Got my little handy dandy box opener here. All right, inside it, there's one of these foam cooler things. All right, let me get the packing slip off of here and I'll read it to you. Take a quick look at it, and I think I gotta put some of this stuff in my freezer. Let me get out my inspectacles and inspect this. All right, Pasture Prime Wagyu and Family Farm. All right, and it says, hey, Big Lou, sent some meat cranium. Sent some to Meat Cranium too. Hey, Meat Cranium, we might have to work together here. All right. Thought you might enjoy. I've accumulated tons of loyalty points, so he wanted to surprise me. Now I'll tell you what I do. He sent me stuff before. I'm gonna leave his name anonymous. If he says so at the bottom, I'll pin that to the topics. But anyway, you know who you are, and I cannot thank you enough. Let's take a look here in this cooler and see what we got. I'm gonna have to watch Meat Cranium, see if he's done an boxing video too. Guys, I hadn't had time to watch YouTube either, so I've missed a lot of y'all's shows. But hey, got this nice, cool styrofoam cooler right here. Let's see what we got in it. Let's see what we got in this. All right, cut this tape loose. Folks, I have been run ragged. Tomorrow's Saturday. I'll be gone all day tomorrow too with work-related stuff. My daughter's in the drama club. We've been getting ready for a play. My son's been involved in a lot of things going on, and I've been involved in a lot of things going on, but I know time's coming when I'll be able to get some more videos out sooner. I promise. Had plans to do one tonight, but this might change it here. Look at that. It's all in cardboard. Let's see what we got. It's all still frozen. Barbecue seasoning. A London broil. I can't thank you enough to that subscriber that sent this to me. All right, Pasture Farm, Summerfield Family Farm, all right? And wow, this is Frankenfurter, pork Frankenfurters. Look at that, y'all. Pork ribs. Whoo, y'all, I'm gonna have some videos coming up, I promise you. Hungarian style kielbasa. I thought kielbasa was just Polish. I learned something right there. They play good chess in Hungary. It's also good for a barbecue show. Hungary. How about that? More ribs. Y'all, this is, yes indeedy. Ground beef. Aged for a minimum of 6 days. Aged ground beef. Got several packages of that. Uh-oh, tenderloin. What is this? It looks like tenderloin, but back strap or something. Yep, pork tenderloins. All right. Set that to the side. Pork bacon. Knows I like pork. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more packages of the ground beef here. Hey, I can't thank you enough. This is a great thank you video. And it all comes from the Pasture Prime Family Farm, Summerfield, Florida. All right, right there. So that's the place it comes from. Want to thank the sender for it, and this is going to be good stuff, and it's going to be good stuff for the show. Hey, thank you so much, and thanks for watching Big Lou Barbecue.